Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Roblox and choosing the account where you will add a passkey. Make sure your email is verified and that you have a physical security key or your phone unlocked and nearby. Open a supported browser, then go to Account Settings and select Security. Tap Add Passkey and follow the on-screen prompts to register your device. This creates a cryptographic credential tied to your hardware, so you won't need a password next time. Once you click Add Passkey, name the key so you recognize it later, like phone or UBI-key. When the browser asks, authenticate using fingerprint, Face ID, System PIN, or insert /touch your USB/NFC security key. The browser and Roblox exchange public keys. Roblox stores only a public identifier, not your private credential. After the process completes, Roblox shows success. Test it now by logging out and choosing Passkey sign-in to ensure the flow works as expected before relying on it. To finish, set the passkey as your primary sign-in method in security and add a secondary recovery option like an authenticator or backup passkey. If a sign-in attempt fails, make sure the browser has Platform Authenticator enabled, try a different port or Bluetooth pairing, or re-register the passkey from account settings. If you lose a device, immediately remove that passkey from your Roblox security page to prevent access. Then register a new device so you maintain uninterrupted entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.